Morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. I'm gonna cook mixed vegetable. In Tagalog, we call it bulanglang. In Bisaya is laswa. I put shrimp to flavor my cooking. And just boil all the vegetables. Mixed vegetables. Boil the water and put the onion, tomato, the pumpkin. The pumpkin, onion, tomato is already in the pot. And I just put this after I clean the put this, and after the shrimp put a little bit, I need to put the long beans or sitaw in Tagalog. Mixed vegetable, this is rich in vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. Some of the vegetable is good for cardiovascular, high in fiber, good for digestive system, vitamin C. See my shrimp is here. That's my shrimp. I need to put all the see my pumpkin, my tomato, and my onion is already in the pot. There's my long beans or sitaw, lady finger or okra, saluyot, I don't know in Tagalog. This is my hipon or shrimp. We call it bulanglang, and Bisaya is laswa. And just season with salt, then pick up. I need to put a vegetable. We don't have a vegetable food. This is my menu today. Later I'm gonna cook the salmon, fried salmon. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.